Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I'm making the super quick and easy appetizer, the crispy chili butter garlic shrimp. It's crispy and tastes so delicious and will be your favorite to-go appetizer. It needs really less ingredients which are readily available in your pantry. So let's quickly get started. The first ingredient is the shrimp. I'm using your medium-sized shrimp and these are all cleaned and deveined. Now I'm going to add all the ingredients for marination. First I'm adding the garlic powder, the red chili flakes, corn flour or the cornstarch, black pepper powder, and then cracking up one egg, some salt to taste, mixing all the ingredients well, and then I'm going to keep this aside for approximately half an hour. You can keep it more if you want to. Now it's time to deep fry the marinated shrimp. So heating up enough oil to deep fry the marinated shrimp. Now adding one by one the shrimp into the wok. I'm going to cook this in high flame. Turning over the side and cook it well so that both the sides of the shrimp turns crispy and crunchy. I do like to try this fried shrimp too as an appetizer, but it gives a lot of much better flavor once the chili and the garlic and the butter and all the other ingredients are added. I'm repeating this step, frying it on the second batch, the other set of the marinated shrimp. Keeping the fried shrimp aside. In the wok, adding the butter. Once the butter melts completely, adding the chopped garlic cloves and the green chilies. Fry it until it turns light golden brown in color. Thereafter, adding the sliced onion, red bell peppers, and green spring onions, and toss it up well or stir fry it. Adding salt as per your taste and little bit of Chinese cooking wine, and this is completely optional. Stir frying the vegetables for a minute and then going to add on the crispy fried shrimp and give it a good stir. The easy and quick with minimal ingredients of the crispy butter garlic shrimp is ready with chilies. Do try this recipe and let me know how was it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel Show Me's World. See you soon. Bye bye.